to meet Congress MPs this evening to devise the strategy of the Congress party going forward. That's the latest that we are getting to you. We will be going across to my colleague Samia for more information on this. Remember, just 2 days are left for this winter session of the Parliament is concerned for the Parliament session to get over, and there hasn't really been any business so far in this winter session of the Parliament. Today, of course, was an important day in the Parliament because the Parliament reconvened after a break of about 4 days. Let me go across to my colleague Samia for more on this. Samia, so we understand that Rahul Gandhi will be meeting Congress MPs this evening to perhaps discuss the strategy going forward.
Well, certainly the Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi has been leading the charge from the Congress's end, leading the entire opposition parties that they have managed to consolidate against the government on the issue of demonetization. We have already seen a short while back how Rahul Gandhi made a statement saying that he has got some incriminating evidence in his possession, and if he is allowed to place that on record in the Lok Sabha, that is going to burst the bubble that the Prime Minister has created with the demonetization drive and a crackdown on the black money. But what remains to be seen, that only 2 more days of the winter session of Parliament remains. What will happen if the opposition party still continues disrupting the House and the House doesn't function? Will the Congress Vice President and the Congress party at large, having the support from the opposition parties, will be placing that outside of the Parliament? Would they be coming out with the evidence? Because these are some very strong charges leveled against the Prime Minister Narendra Modi by Rahul Gandhi, and he has to substantiate that with evidence that is there in their possession. But what is that evidence? That is the larger question. He has not suggested the nature of it and whether at all, in what form or manner is it. Could this be some sort of a document or an audio clip, or what will